I just traveled to the Maldives and it took me 19 hours, and I want to show you what that experience looks like. I started in Washington, D.C. on Qatar Airways. I did stay in the Q Suites, which is their business class product. They give you your own pajamas, amenity kit, blanket, menus. The wall in between the two seats comes down if you want to share it with a friend, and you get a door for the absolute most privacy. What I love most about this product is that unlike most business classes, you get to choose when you want to eat. So you do not have to eat right away. If you don't want to, you can go right to sleep. The choice is yours. It was actually a really robust menu as well. They even have afternoon tea in the sky, which I thought was really amazing. When we got to Qatar, we had a 6-hour layover and then another 4-hour and 50-minute flight to the Maldives. When we landed, it was super easy. Grabbed our luggage, went through immigration, checked in with the resort, and then took a 30-minute seaplane to the resort. And that's it. It was really easy.